everything in nature begins with a pattern. At Mimics, we believe that by mastering these natural patterns, we can unlock new ways to shape life. Patterns are the foundation of structure and function, and controlling them means controlling nature's design process to create life. We achieve this through sound-induced morphogenesis, a unique process that mirrors nature's steps, controlling cell density and forming precise patterns. By harnessing sound waves and fluid dynamics, we organize particles into structured, functional arrangements. This allows us to create functional tissues. For example, unpatterned nerve cells do not communicate effectively, but once spatially organized, they exhibit multi-level functional crosstalk, just like healthy nerves do. At Mimics, we don't just replicate nature's patterns, we master them.